how to manage trusted devices for iPhone mirroring on your Mac. If you want to review or remove the devices that can use iPhone mirroring, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the iPhone mirroring app on your Mac. Next, click iPhone mirroring in the menu bar, then select Settings. Here, you'll see the iPhone that's currently trusted for iPhone mirroring. If you want to stop this Mac from accessing your iPhone, click Revoke Access. When prompted, click Revoke Access again to confirm your choice. This removes the trust relationship between your Mac and iPhone iPhone mirroring will no longer work until you pair the devices again. If you want to use iPhone mirroring in the future, simply open the iPhone mirroring app and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up again. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.